Okay guys, so a few days ago my friend did reach like 500 subscribers. So I got like funny idea, like maybe I could make him like wooden play button, but so it will be original and it will fit to him. I did go kind of with the interesting approach. I made Skibidi Toilet play button. Yes, I never did expect that I would say something like this in my life. But yeah. So here is VR and how, well, this is basically how it did go. So like kinda here is like the whole design of the Skibidi Toilet play button. I made it in Fusion so I could do it quickly. Well, I am just like proficient in Fusion. I don't know the exact word for it, but I have like most experience working with Fusion than other programs. Even though we didn't learn Fusion in school. So yeah. And after that, I just put it into my laser machine. It did like cut the whole thing, and here we are.
Good evening, mister. How can I help you? There's a gift we would like to award you with.
No. Ja mám strach.
Don't worry, it's just anthrax. First of all.
Oh.
You shot first it on.
Ah. Oh.
He does it again. Okay, sir. So here is your reward.
I hope that it is
Hello, sire.
500 Skibidi Toilet.
To the fucking side.
Ah.
You fucking moron.
Why is there Skibidi Toilet with mine?
Because why not?
This is fucking epic. And what's the pillow?
I throw it out.
Oh, to make it a bit fancier, yes.
But I am bringing the pillow back.
Okay, so Skibidi Toilet.
But it's also a play
One
button.
test.
It's also a play button.
So if I press it, it will play Skibidi Toilet or something like that.
Skibidi dop dop dop.
No. And pillow.
Yes, you can keep that.
Cromta's literally dying. Okay, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna give you this. Okay? Thank you very much, and I have to go back to stream.
I have a question for you,
No.
sire. Are you happy with your gifts?
No. I'm genuinely disappointed.
Great. Better reaction than expected.
That's great. Then we're off.
Yeah, and I am taking the microphone back.
Bye.
Boah.
Did you even turn it on or did
Yeah, I did.
He didn't.
Yeah, I did. It actually was. It was blinking, and then it was blue.
He's lying.
No,
it's fine. You may have still sound.
I have my own Skibidi Toilet. It's epic. I'm happy right now.
Would you say that this is by far your best achievement
I
in
have to
life?
go bye-bye. Yeah, it is. I expect to 499 more Skibidi Toilets for each.
Maybe one day.
So thank you.
Look at that dump truck. Farewell.